What's the meaning of cardinal vowel? Cardinal vowel. Cardinal vowel.
Cardinal vowel. Cardinal vowel. Cardinal vowels are a set of reference vowels used to describe and compare vowel sounds across different languages. The concept was introduced by Daniel Jones in the early 20th century and includes 8 primary cardinal vowels positioned in a diamond shape on a vowel chart. Each cardinal vowel is associated with a specific position of the tongue and lips, serving as a standard for articulation. By knowing the positions of these cardinal vowels, linguists can describe and analyze the properties of different vowel sounds accurately in a standardized way.